This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, including the Anything is Popsicle kit. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, as well as paints, a paintbrush, glues and beads, straws, and popsicle sticks. Begin by deciding where you want to draw your popsicles. You're going to need to fit in 2 popsicles. With a pencil, lightly sketch out your popsicle, kind of a rounded edged rectangular shape. Don't press too hard to avoid poking holes into your canvas. Divide the popsicle into 3 and decide where the popsicle stick will be. Then create a lighter shade of blue by mixing a little bit of your white and some blue, and paint the whole background. Always remember to wash and dry your brush when changing colors to avoid unwanted mixing. Begin adding shading by making a darker shade of blue and adding it to one side of the popsicle. This will look like the popsicle has cast a shadow on the side of the canvas. Next, begin by painting your popsicle. You can do a vanilla in the middle, strawberry pink on the bottom, and chocolate on the top to create a Neapolitan popsicle. You can even drip a little bit of the chocolate to look like fudge coming into the vanilla. Add a little bit more shading onto your popsicle to create a 3-dimensional effect. Next, add glue for where you'd like to put the popsicle sticks and glue all along the border. Next, taking the paper straws, line them onto the edge of the canvas to create a border. You may need to trim the edges of some of them so they fit nicely. Then add some glue to the chocolate, or you can add to all 3 flavors of the ice cream and add your sprinkles, which are the tiny beads. Your painting is now complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.